Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we can call this video, which is a kind of a ranting video, Dumber and Dumber. It's also a movie, I know, but it goes very well with what Microsoft is doing right now. So, we are, of course, talking about AI all the time. We know that, Copilot was pushed to Windows, and a lot of people don't want it. But there's also, and if I actually take the word processor word of my Office 365 subscription or Microsoft 365, oh, look at that, there's a Copilot thing. And it even says, oh, select the icon and press Alt plus I to draft with Copilot. So Copilot is in Office, but it's not just that. It's like everything wants to be Copilot, 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 which is stupid. And now, if I want to have Microsoft 365, suddenly, Microsoft 365 is a Copilot icon. And now, some people, I've seen screenshots that have, depending on what they have installed on their taskbar, have two Copilots, one next to each other, not knowing what it is when it is Copilot, but one for Office, one for Windows. And then Microsoft says, well, but they're not the same thing when, well, yeah, they're the same thing. And it's so dumb to do what you're doing right now. I personally think Microsoft 365 and even better Office 365 was a pretty good brand in the naming. It was the branding to use. Now, apparently it's going to be something like Microsoft 365 Copilot or something. And it's like, what the hell are you guys doing? Are you just freaking dumb? Or are you just not realizing that you're messing up your brand and that it's completely stupid and that people already hate Copilot and they're associating what Microsoft 365 Copilot with Copilot? Plus, we have the stupid thing that is also happening because they're shoving Copilot in Microsoft 365. They're going to actually have a price hike saying that, well, now we're getting more for, it's like, I never asked for Copilot within Office. I don't care about Copilot within Office. And I'm like, what the hell are you doing? I've been an Office user for ages. And I'm okay with that. But what the hell is happening? Microsoft is so stupid. So this is where Dumb and Dumber is actually happening. It seems like no day's going by without Microsoft being more stupid than the day before. So if you see Copilot with Copilot and have Office, or Microsoft 365 Copilot, yeah, you get it. I'm sorry, but this is so dumb. And no, I don't want to have a shortcut. So this is what I wanted to rant about. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.